In this video, I will show you how to easily add design on dress in Photoshop. First, pick any of the selection tools and make a selection of the dress. Press Ctrl+J to make a copy. Go to Filter, Blur, then choose Gaussian Blur. Set the value to around 1.3 and click OK. Now go to File, Save As. Give your file any name you want and click Save. Go to File, Place Embedded. Choose your design and then place it in. Resize it accordingly. And then create a clipping mask. Go to Filter, Distort, and choose Displace. Follow these settings and click OK. Locate your PSD file and click Open. Change the blend mode to multiply. Go to FX and choose blending options. Make sure to carefully follow these settings. Hold down Alt and click to break the points. And now, follow these steps. When you are satisfied, click OK. That's it for today's tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and I will see you in the next one.